What is going on? Oh my god. My Porsche is broken. I have to call the towing service. Good afternoon. Did I get a towing service?
I am a towing service worker.
Please can you help me? My Porsche Spider car is broken and I see smoke from the engine.
Don't worry ma'am, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Oh my god, you're all wet. My poor Mimi, don't worry, we'll be home soon. Thank you for coming, sir.
You're welcome ma'am. Congratulations on a good ride.
Thank you.
You're very fast with the quad.
I know that, Mike. Thanks again.
I have to go to work. I'm late. See you soon, Stephanie.
See you, Mike. Be careful and don't fast drive a truck.
Okay, don't worry. I am the best driver in the company. My truck is ready for a heavy load. What happened? My tractor has no fuel, not a single drop of fuel. How did it happen to me again? Hello Marco, please, can you help me?
Of course. What happened?
Oh my god, the tractor is out of fuel. The tractor engine has shut down. I am in the woods near the farm. I need about 50 liters of fuel. Hello Marco, you're so fast.
Hello Lucas, let's fill the tractor with fuel.
My John Deere tractor is very thirsty. Thank you Marco, you helped me a lot. You are a true friend.
Alright, another time wash the fuel in the tractor.
Hi guys. Stop. Stop. Hi Joseph, are you ready?
Hi David, I'm ready.
Job well done. And see you again. Today we are going to work with forest tractors. This is John Deere 7930 tractor with front loader. In the middle is John Deere 7930 tractor with loading crane. This is John Deere 1210 forwarder tractor with rotated cab. hi.
Hi everyone.
Are you ready?
Of course, we are ready.
Oh, my God. How hard it is to carry on a truck. I'm almost done. This is the last one. I am done with work.
My horse Max is sick.
Luna, are you sure?
I think he has a fever and a toothache.
We urgently need a veterinary examination. Poor my Max. He needs help. I need to call the vet station right away.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Let's go.
Veterinary station, I'm Peter Longoria Jr., from a horse farm. I need your help. My horse Max has a fever and a toothache. Come urgently, please.
Good morning, Dr. Al Pacino.
Good morning, Luna. Let's hurry to help the horse.
Good morning, Dr. Al Pacino. Max has a problem with his teeth and he has a fever and a toothache.
Okay, don't panic. We'll fix Max's teeth.
Max has black holes in his teeth.
We'll do an x-ray of the teeth and fix all the teeth. Let's go. Max will hurt a little. Please be calm. Be calm. Be calm. We are done quickly. Congratulations, Max. You are very brave.
Let's go skiing.
Let's go snowboarding.
Oh no, help me!
Oh my God, I'm coming to help you.
What happened?
She fell and her hand was seriously injured. Rescue service. Rescue service. One person is injured. We are at the top of the mountain. Hurry up. Please. Over. Please hurry up.
Just slowly. Everything is fine, don't worry. Let's go to the rescue helicopter.
Slowly, the patient's condition is stable. Tell the hospital that we are coming very soon. Ready to start engine. Start the engine. Okay, all clear. Ready. 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 Okay, pilot, I am ready. Ready to take off. Take off approved for hospital. Goodbye kids. Be careful when skiing. Bye bye.